Hey there, home bakers! Welcome back to another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Ready to master the art of chocolate mousse cake in just 3 minutes? Let's dive straight in. This recipe is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a treat for yourself. First up, the cake base. This is the foundation of our decadent dessert, so let's make sure we get it just right. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure our cake bakes evenly. Grease a 9-inch springform pan and line the bottom with parchment paper. This will help our cake release easily after baking. In a mixing bowl, beat together 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. This should take about 3-5 minutes. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. This ensures a smooth and well-incorporated batter. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra yum. Now, grab another bowl. The vanilla adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our cake. Whisk together 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These dry ingredients will give our cake its structure and chocolatey goodness. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your butter mixture, alternating with 1/2 cup of whole milk. This method helps to keep the batter smooth and prevents overmixing. Mix until it's all well combined. You should have a smooth, lump-free batter. Pour your batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Make sure to smooth the top for an even bake. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it towards the end to avoid overbaking. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This is a foolproof way to check for doneness. Let it cool completely before moving on to the mousse. Cooling is essential to ensure the mousse sets properly on top. Now on to the heavenly chocolate mousse. This is where the magic happens. Melt 6 ounces of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter together. The dark chocolate gives a rich, intense flavor. You can use a double boiler or microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Let it cool slightly. This prevents the chocolate from seizing when mixed with other ingredients. In another bowl, whip up 1.5 cups of heavy cream to soft peaks. This will give our mousse its light and airy texture. In a small saucepan, whisk 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract over low heat until smooth and slightly thickened. This adds richness and stability to our mousse. Now fold the egg mixture into the melted chocolate. This step ensures a smooth and creamy mousse base. Gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture in batches until it's all combined and silky smooth. Be careful not to deflate the whipped cream. Spread the mousse over the cooled cake base and smooth the top. This will create a beautiful, even layer. Pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, to set. This allows the mousse to firm up and the flavors to meld together. And there you have it, a masterpiece ready to be devoured. A luxurious, airy chocolate mousse cake that's sure to impress. Perfect for any celebration or just because you deserve a treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. Happy baking! Catch you next time. Enjoy your cake and happy baking!